I'm Isidore Bilsby-Avian, the creature no one lovian. I scare all the plebeians. I am a terrifying thespian. All the children run away from me when they look upon my physiognomy. My voice rumbles like gastroenterology. I'm so sad, 'cause all I want is to be loved. I'm a loveling Brobdingnagian, no one understands yin, a giant elephantian who just wants to be loved. People judge by what they see, they never want to know me. When I say hi, they start to flee. Oh, I just want to be loved.